Look at that. All the meat are gone. All the chickens are gone. This is too much. I live here for almost 30 years. Never seen Costco like this empty show.
We also went to 99 supermarket. We bought this bread. Nagsasale ito $1.99 from I think $4.99. 5 pieces lang siya. We ate this yesterday with our Peking duck na niluto namin earlier. So yung Peking duck na yon, saka ito lang. So we don't need the rice. And then we bought this in 99 also. Kaya we changed our mind. Instead of cooking menudo, we just bought each one of them at $3.99. See? Everything is at $3.99. So bakit hindi? So we took this, $3.99 na bawat isa. Iba-ibang bento box. And we already ate 2. So a total of 7 lahat yan. So right now we still have 5 to survive this winter storm. So instead of cooking menudo or mechado, ito na kami. And then I'm warming our arroz caldo. Our snacky from Costco is this one and this one. Okay, snacky for today. This is made in, I think, Taiwan. Ibang lasa. And this one, my husband preferred that, but I'm into the pistachio caramel and this. And, of course, our mango, Indian mango from Costco. This morning, we had arroz caldo. Okay? And this is the remaining of our eggs. Kasi, now that it's dinner time, this is our arroz caldo earlier, okay, this morning. Now we have a lot of kamote or sweet potato. So, 2 in 1. Instead of lugaw na may sweet potato, hanzibe, tawag namin, hanzibe. So, dinagdagan namin ng sweet potato or kamote yung aming remaining arroz caldo. And then, of course, if you want your boiled egg again, and we also have crispy bawang, crispy garlic, or raw garlic also, whatever you like. So, as I said, ganyan lang yung magparami ng pagkain. So, yung remaining arroz caldo, dinagyan namin ng sweet potato, another, na naman to, meal. See? That's our arroz caldo with sweet potato added. Yum, yum, yum. So, I added some fried garlics here. Fried garlic. If you have scallion, you can add. And of course, egg to our arroz caldo with sweet potato. So, parang naghalo yung arroz caldo at saka yung sa Chinese na hanzibe, sweet potato. So, we added this. Okay, so I have my fried garlic with boiled egg. So our arroz caldo had additional sweet potato. So parang 2 in 1. We have arroz caldo, the Filipino porridge, chicken porridge soup, at saka hanzibe, Chinese, yung sa Hokkien Chinese rice lugaw with sweet potato. So yun na yung combine. Since combine naman ako. Okay. Grilling corn time. So we bought the corn in Costco and now we're grilling them.